Smartwatches are the craze right now, after which manufacturers as well as consumers are splashing money. A perfect smartwatch doesn't exist, but a smartwatch with features that perfectly match your needs always exists. To help you out to choose the best smartwatch for the year 2021, here we have made a list of best smartwatches that you can buy for 2021. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe our channel. Fitbit Versa 2, the best smartwatch for fitness tracking. The main highlights of this smartwatch are its industry-leading precision sensors, sharp AMOLED display, and up to 6 days of battery life. Fitbit is a popular fitness-oriented company manufacturing fitness bands and activity trackers that are well regarded among a lot of people owing to the accuracy of the sensor data on these devices. The fully anodized aluminum rectangular body stands out when you see the Fitbit Versa 2 for the first time. This dial consists of a control button on the left side which will help you choose modes and navigate through the menus along with the responsive touchscreen interface. The Fitbit Versa features a 1.35-inch OLED panel to display the information. The colors on this display appears vivid and the brightness levels are decent for asking price. The Fitbit Versa 2 has most accurate sensors on this list of best smartwatches, and this device comes with a dynamic heart rate monitor that outputs a precise measure of your heartbeats. The Smart Track feature lets this device automatically record your workout even without you initiating the setup. Other than this, it has got many exciting features. The Fitbit Versa 2 does not feature a dedicated GPS chip, and this makes the location tracking impossible without a smartphone, and this is the only downside of this smartwatch. Coming to the battery life, the Fitbit Versa 2 has a decent battery life of about 5 days on a single charge. The device charges relatively quickly in just under 2 hours as well. Overall, if you are a fitness freak and want to have a smartwatch that doubles up as a fitness band, the Fitbit Versa 2 is the best under an affordable budget. Overall, if you are a fitness freak and want to have a smartwatch that doubles up as a fitness band, the Fitbit Versa 2 is the best bet under an affordable budget. Buy this watch for its elegant, attractive design, robust build quality, and the water-resistant feature. The disappointment is, as I said before, there is no inbuilt GPS given. Links are given in the description for different countries. You can check the availability and price in your country and buy it from there. TicWatch S2, the best smartwatch with the best design. The main highlights of this smartwatch are gorgeous OLED display, built-in GPS, up to 2 days of battery life. Mobio is a brand name that you might have never heard before, but remember, this is a name you are going to hear more often thanks to their amazing lineup of smartwatches. The Mobio TicWatch S2 is made up of polycarbonate material which is tough as well as lightweight. The soft silicone strap on this smartwatch is flexible and won't easily damage over time. The Mobio TicWatch S2 features a 1.39-inch OLED display, and the level of clarity and crispness this display offers is excellent, and it is pretty much unmatched for its price. TicWatch S2 comes with an optical heart rate monitor to measure your body's metabolism, and the accuracy of this sensor is quite decent for the price. Along with this, there are accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensors on this device which opens up a whole range of possibilities for enhanced usability. With a built-in GPS and e-compass, you can track and record your trails easily with the companion app on your smartphone. TicWatch S2 offers a decent battery life of up to 2 days on a single charge. Even if used heavily, this device should see the end of the day comfortably. Overall, if you want a premium smartwatch running on the Android Wear OS but has a budget under $15,000 or $200, then you should go for TicWatch S2. Buy this watch for its military-grade build quality, up to 5 ATM water-resistant, interchangeable straps. The only disappointment is the slightly older Bluetooth may cause some problems. Oppo Watch, the best value for money smartwatch. The main highlights of this smartwatch are stunning AMOLED touchscreen display, up to 14 days of battery life, and the fitness features with accurate sensors on board. Oppo is one of the major players in the smartphone market. Recently, the company has been venturing into the accessories segment with their earphones and TWS earbuds as well. Oppo Watch is the recently introduced Android Wear OS powered smartwatch that looks strikingly similar to the Apple Watch but available at a fraction of the cost at just $200 or 13,000 Indian rupees. The square-shaped dial is made from the lightweight aluminum and the backside of this watch has a glossy ceramic back. The fit and finish of the smartwatch scream premium quality right from the first glance. The display is one of the main USPs of this budget Android smartwatch. Oppo Watch features a 1.6-inch AMOLED touchscreen display. Being an OLED display, the blacks appear perfectly deep black and the colors seem to be punchy and vivid. This smartwatch carries a lot of sensors on board for precise fitness tracking options. There is a regular GPS for positioning and the location tracking, accurate heart rate sensor for metabolism calculation, and accelerometer for step counting. Oppo smartwatch has a built-in microphone and speaker for hands-free calling over Bluetooth. You can attain calls from your smartphone on this device and talk directly. Oppo claims that this smartwatch will last for 14 days on a single charge. However, with the functions such as always on display turned on and regular GPS, expect the battery to come down within couple of days. Buy this watch for its elegant and premium design, lightweight and comfortable Google Wear OS platform. The only disappointment is proprietary charger. Samsung Galaxy Watch, the best smartwatch. The main highlights of this smartwatch are smooth and fluid UI, rotating dial navigation, and reliable brand. Samsung has been in the smartwatch industry for a long that they almost own the Android side of the market right now. The Samsung Galaxy smartwatch has 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display, and this display is protected by a kind of Corning Gorilla Glass specially designed for the wearables. This device has all the usual set of sensors such as heart rate monitor, pedometer, and GPS. GPS can be used to track your movement while jogging or even casual traveling. The built-in Samsung Pay works very well that there is no need for your phone to make payments anymore. Samsung Galaxy smartwatch packs in a 380 mAh of battery that will last up to 80 days on continuous usage on a single charge and up to 24 hours with the GPS turned on all the time. The bundled wireless charging dock takes around 3 hours to completely charge this smartwatch. Samsung Galaxy smartwatch is one of the most practical smartwatch in the market. Loaded with Android Wear OS, this smartwatch does feature all the Google goodies and much more. Buy this smartwatch for its excellent battery life, best software support, and stunning OLED display. The only disappointment is it feels little bit bulky. Apple Watch 5. Overall, the best smartwatch that you can buy. Apple Watch 5. Overall, the best smartwatch money can buy. The main highlights of this smartwatch are cellular capability, integrated GPS, and always on display. Apple Watch Series 5 is the latest iteration of the smart wearable from Apple that succeeds Apple Watch 4 series. Crafted from a single block of aluminum, the Apple Watch 5 presents the best possible build quality that a smartwatch can deliver. The fit and finish of the Apple Watch 5 are top-notch with the Apple leaving no stone unturned to ensure perfection. Powered by all-new dual-core S5 chip, Apple Watch Series 5 is 30% faster than its predecessor. The smartwatch from Apple has slightly larger 1.78-inch AMOLED display which has a pixel density of 326 ppi. The display looks sharp, feels vibrant, and the brightness level are great as well. The OLED display complements the watchOS UI and takes complete advantage of the app ecosystem to provide an immersive experience. It comes with a 32 GB of internal storage compared to the 16 GB in its previous generation. The smartwatch now comes with the ability to take ECG, but the function is stated to be released on a later date via a software update. A 285 mAh of Li-ion battery powers the smartwatch that lasts up to 1.5 days of continuous usage on a single charge. Apple Watch 5 is the best possible smartwatch money can buy in the market as of now. The design, build quality, the quality of features that are built into this device is probably the best in class. Buy this watch for its robust build quality, best in campus, built-in compass, and fall detection. The disappointment is it works best with the Apple devices only. So these are some of the best smartwatches, the recently launched smartwatches that you can buy for 2021. If you have any other best smartwatch in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.